We've received thousands of letters, and the common link with most is that many people don't have the basic items that make life comfortable. Both of our guests now wished for mattresses. For the sisters, they're Winsome Wind, and then there's Sir Lisa Blake. Sir Lisa's sister, Gabrielle Harriet, is also here, and I'm going to talk with them a bit, but first I'm talking to Winsome. Morning, Winsome. Talk to me about this. You wanted it for your sister. Not been able to move for the past 12 years.
Yes, she has been immobile for the past 12 years. She has been good to us as sisters, so I decided to do writing and ask for something for her to make her feel happy for the holidays.
How old is she?
She's 54.
Okay. Must be very difficult because not being able to move, the mattress is really the place that she is on 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Yes, it's frustrating, even for her, because she is not able to move around as she would like, to go out as she would like, so it's quite frustrating.
And there's no ease for her. She's on it, she can't come off or anything.
She scrambles around a bit, but just not really much.
Not really much. So. All right, I'm going to scoot past you and go over to Sir Lisa. And Gabrielle, Sir Lisa, you wrote, because you said you live in your comfortable, like a one room with mommy. And you've been sharing bed, and you're getting older, so you want one for yourself, not true?
Yes, it's kind of hard to have a little privacy
without it. Gabrielle, did you know she was going to write?
No.
Which one? One on a sleep and kick, not true. Who sleep and kick? You, Gabrielle? She don't know she's sleeping, so she don't know that she's kicking when she's sleeping. What's this bed going to do for you? Sir Lisa wrote because she wanted a little privacy, but you getting some too?
Yes.
Yes. She know Gabrielle not sleep, no wake up yet.
No.
So, Sir Lisa, let me tell you something about Mr. Azan from Boss Furniture. Every year, he gives to our wish list. He's usually here. Couldn't make it this morning, but he wanted to make sure that we made the presentation. So I'm going to present to you first, Winsome, for your sister.
Okay, thank you.
Merry Christmas to her on behalf of Boss Furniture and TVJ. And we hope this really, really brightens up her day. And then this one, Gabrielle, Sir Lisa wrote for you. So, congrats, my love, on behalf of Boss Furniture. What is Mommy saying? When Mommy heard you wrote and that you got through, what Mommy say?
She was very happy.
Very happy. But we're happy too.
Our whole family is very happy.
The whole family is happy. How many are you in the family?
It's a whole lot of us.
A whole lot of you. Yeah? Nice. Wonderful. Glad to help you, ladies. All right, and thank you, Mr. Azan. I know you're watching, for always being supportive. You've really made the Christmas a bright one for Winsome, Sir Lisa, and Gabrielle. Neville is practicing his daddy skills. Over to him.
Now, I have this little young man here because Nathan, who is over there giving his mom a hard time, so I had to take him and calm him down, don't it? Because you know, so I'm a daddy too. All right, Rona Robinson wrote in on behalf of Melinda Allen. That's Rona over here. That's Melinda right here. She's a mother of 4. 3 are which? 7 months? 7 months old? Triplets, believe it or not. They're all here with us. This is Nathan. I know that because I'm giving the problems. Who is this little man?
Nathaniel.
Nathaniel. And who is that little man over there? So you wrote in.
Yes, I do.
Huh?
Yes, I do.
And you asked for?
Some help for her so that her Christmas can be happy.
Yeah. Were you surprised when you heard that?
Yes.
Let me go in the middle here so I don't have to be stretching across. Were you a little bit surprised when you heard that?
Yes, I was.
Nathan, you cannot get the mic. You're giving too much trouble, Nathan. All right, hold the mic, Nathan. You can hold the mic? Nathan wants to say something. Say it, Nathan. Who give the most trouble?
Nathan.
Nathan. Nathan, give the most trouble. All right, so also with us, because Lasco heard our story, and we have brand ambassador Chevelle Fitter with us this morning. And Chevelle, you cannot get the mic, Nathan. Nathan, you give you trouble. Chevelle, morning, welcome to Smile. We thank you so much for being a part of our show this morning. But what did you hear and what have you brought?
Okay, I have brought a basket filled with products for the baby and the mommy. And we heard about this mother and we just thought we could assist her. While we do donations all year round, and we just thought that we could bring some joy to her this Christmas.
And you have. What do you like to say?
I said thanks.
Yeah.
It's so surprising.
So surprising. How difficult is this, though? You have 4, but how difficult it is for the triplets? Nathan, keep quiet, man. Eh? How difficult?
Well, I'm trying my best, although it's a little. You see, Nathan here is giving trouble already.
I'm going to tell you, I'm not a heavy papa. So hurry up and put him down. Thank you so much.
You're most welcome.
thank you.
I feel so elated to know that I could wrote into that someone could be happy this Christmas.
Yeah, man.
You know, persons have 1 kid, and when I see sometimes they are struggling, and to know that one person has 3 one time, I can imagine the struggle
Yeah,
that
man.
she's
First time
going
you wrote
through.
to us?
Yes, it's the first time I
And you
wrote.
got so.
you know.
All right, me did want you stop talk still, Nathaniel. Heavy papa, I want to put him down quick. Thanks so much, Lasco brand ambassador, Chevelle Fitter. Thanks, Chevelle. And good luck. Good luck. Will you leave my mic alone, please? We're not finished just yet, guys. Lots more wishes coming after the break, all right? Eh? You ready? Say bye. Say bye on TV, you know. Look up and say bye, you know. Eh? There you go. Soon come.